You know what it is. It's falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. To giddy up gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. Modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the roads. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. To giddy up gone, boys. 18 wheels on the car.
What's up, guys? My first time recording a video, so I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I took the dash off the truck. I'm about to wrap it. I forgot to record taking it off, but I already wrapped one piece to test it, and I liked it. Taking the rest apart right now, getting it done. Hopefully I'll show y'all when it's done, and then we'll put it back in the truck.
guys, so we are putting the dash back together. We already put most of it back together. I forgot to record, but nonetheless, there he is connecting the last couple gauges together. I don't think you can see, but yeah. I put the door piece. Oh shit, almost fell. I'll put that piece on. Looks good. Show you from out here. Looks good, looks good. Bam. The other one is right there, further to that door. I think so.
I'm pretty sure. I just gotta put the little bolts in.
There you go. Bam. Last piece.
Bam.
There you go.
Final product, bro.
Dash is complete.
Completed. Oh, I gotta put the gauges on.
Oh yeah, tapias. Open the door real quick so you can. There you go.
So you can see it.
There you go.
A little dusty, but
Y'all get the idea?
I know what's up, right?
Alright, let's see if everything works. Seems to be working. Alright guys, we put all the gauge caps back on, and that's the final product. That's the dash. Alright guys, and just like that, that's the end of the video. Let us know what you guys think of the dash. Let us know if y'all like it. Let us know what y'all think. And we'll see you guys on the next video.